Nope, just keep your hands up. Stop reaching around. If you reach for a weapon, you could be shot. Six one, shots fired, shots fired. If you reach for that gun, I'm gonna shoot you again, dude.
On the morning of September 20th, 2025, a man armed with a handgun threatened employees at 2 separate gas stations in southeast Portland. At 9:50 a.m., just 10 minutes after the second 911 call, Portland police officers located the suspect's vehicle at a Shell gas station on Southeast 122nd and Division. The footage shows officers Sammy Smith Jr. and Spencer Foster conducting a felony stop. The suspect, 30-year-old Bryan Velasco-Ruelas, is in the passenger seat.
Yep. 961. Sorry, we got the car here at 122 in Division at Shell. All right, pull up and we're going to challenge it out. Pull up behind it. Yeah. And we're going to be challenging it, guns pointed north. Yeah, it's lights. Yep. Driver, passenger, this is Portland Police Bureau. Put your hands up now. We believe you may be armed with a gun. Hands up. Passenger, hands up now. If you don't put your hands up, force will be used against you, including deadly force. Hands up.
While the driver complies, Ruelas is argumentative and refuses to show his hands, at one point reaching for his phone despite being warned he could be shot. The standoff breaks when Ruelas suddenly produces a handgun from inside the vehicle and opens fire on the officers.
If you reach for a weapon, you could be shot. Passenger, put your hands up. Hands up, passenger. Put your hands outside the window. Passenger, you especially, we believe you may have a gun. Keep your hands up. Hands up, passenger.
Wait.
Hands up, passenger. They're semi-cooperative.
Both officers immediately returned fire, discharging a combined 13 rounds.
Nope, just keep your hands up. Stop reaching around. No, if you reach in there, I'm gonna, dude. Do it. Six one, shots fired, guns are pointed north. Stay right there. Get me, start me a sergeant with a shield. Start me code 3 AMR. Let's have them stage to the east or west on Division. Do not reach for that gun or I'm gonna shoot you again, dude. Do not reach for that gun. Hey, are you good? Are you good? Are you hit? You're good. All right, I'm good. Do not reach for that gun or I'm gonna shoot you again, dude. I'm telling you, do not reach for that gun. I will shoot you again. You got eyes on the passenger? All right, we need to move up on this guy. I can't see where the gun is. All right, I'm going to transition to the back to you. I don't have the greatest shot with the door. Okay, it's okay. All right, we need to press past you. Let's move the... Where's the other guy at?
You got that guy covered?
He's on the ground over there.
How many people? Two?
Two?
Watch him.
Yep.
You guys get him taken care of real quick, okay?
Okay, let's take care of him. Move him back to you guys. Put him in custody. I got eyes on this guy.
Yep.
Yes. I can move up the field or am I allowed to since I'm involved?
You want me to come to your side? I couldn't hear you. What was that?
I don't know. Give me a second. Let me think. So I don't know where the gun is.
Okay.
The magazine's right there.
Okay.
I thought during mid of the gunfight that the gun kind of, as he was falling down, flew somewhere.
Okay.
But I do not know where it went.
Okay. Were you involved?
I was.
So we want to get you
I
relieved.
fired.
Okay.
Yep.
So let me just stand by. We got to get. Let's get up there. Yeah, you want to do that? Yep.
We got a couple officers taking care of that. 3908 will be IC on this.
All right. So we need to get him.
Copy 3908 IC.
And you're good?
Are you good right now?
I'm good. I can move up with you guys.
Okay.
Okay. If you reach for that gun, I'm gonna shoot you again, dude. All right. I don't know if there's anybody else in there. All right. You got the car. There's the gun. The gun's over there. All right. Everyone, let's get him custody. Let's get a medical kit and let's start triaging.
We get an IFAC? Who has
Get an IFAC. Go grab the IFAC right now.
Oh, we got the way over there?
Yep.
If you got water, please, I'm sorry. I just need water.
Okay, we're going to get you some aid real quick, so stand by, man.
Can I
Okay?
get water, sir,
Okay.
please?
Okay.
My son just died from cancer.
I got the IFAC.
All right. Let me know when you guys are ready, because I'm gonna.
not reaching.
We're ready.
We're ready.
Let's get him into custody so
All
we
right.
start rendering aid.
All right. Let's go.
Hands?
Since the gun's separated.
Yeah.
Yep. Let's move. Let's just move. Let's go.
Here we go.
I got you, sir. I'm not reaching. I'm sorry.
Car's clear, right?
I cleared.
Okay.
Car's clear.
And we need his. He was, I think, recording it. Just FYI.
Quick lights.
Yep. Driver, passenger, put your hands up now! We believe you may be armed with a gun! Hands up! Passenger, hands up now! If you don't put your hands up, force to use against you, including deadly force! Hands up! If you reach for a weapon, you could be shot! Passenger, put your hands up! Hands up, passenger! Put your hands outside the window! Passenger! You especially, we believe you may have a gun! Keep your hands up! Hands up, passenger!
No.
Hands up, passenger!
Face away.
No, just keep your hands up! Stop reaching around! No!
No.
Reach in there, I'm gonna do it! Do it!
Stay right there. Do not move. Stay right there. Put your head down. Interlace your fingers on top of your head. He's good.
Are you hit?
Yes. No, I'm good.
You're good.
I'm checking myself. Good. Hey, Sergeant. The other guy's right there. Interlace fingers. Right there. He's laying down. Trash can, left side.
Do not reach for that gun or I'm gonna shoot you again, dude! I'm telling you, do not reach for that gun! I will shoot you again! You got eyes on the passenger?
Yep. Sergeant's got him. His hands are interlaced. He's good.
Alright, we need to move up on the guy. I can't see where the gun is.
Okay. Let me look. I see a mag on the ground.
Facing his back. You know how the crazy stuff is work. Okay, put that.
Yep.
Got shield.
Alright, we need to push passenger. Let's move this. Where's the other guy at?
You got that guy covered?
He's on the ground over there.
How many people? Two?
Two!
Watch him.
Yep.
Let's get him. We gotta get him taken care of real quick, okay?
Okay, let's take care of him. Move him back to you guys. Put him in custody. I got eyes on this guy.
Is everybody okay?
Yep.
Yes.
So we have one guy down.
I can move up the field, or my lawsuit since I'm involved.
You want me to come to your side? I couldn't hear you. What was that?
I don't know.
Okay, hang on.
Give me a second. Let me think. So I don't know where the gun is.
Okay.
The magazine's right there.
Okay.
I thought during a minute of gunfight that the gun, as he was falling down, flew somewhere, but I do not know where it went.
Okay. Were you involved?
I was.
We want to get you
fired.
Okay.
Yep.
So let me stand by. We got to get.
Sorry.
Let's get up there.
You want me to take that shield?
Yeah, you want to do it?
Yep.
We had a couple clear that. 3908 will be IC on this.
All right. So we need to get him.
You're good?
Are you good right now?
I'm good. I can move up with you guys.
Okay.
Okay. If you reach that gun, I'm gonna shoot you again, dude.
Watch the car. Watch the car.
I don't know where anybody else is. All right, stop the car. Get an ice pack. Go grab the ice pack.
Okay. I got that back.
You guys ready?
All right, let me know when you guys are ready.
Ready?
We're ready.
Yeah. We're ready.
Let's get him into custody so we can start rendering aid.
Okay.
The gun's separated.
Yeah,
we got hands and
Let's
stuff
okay.
like that.
Go ahead. Go. Here we go.
I got you, so I'm not reaching. I'm sorry.
Car's clear, right?
I got it.
I need some water,
Are you
sir.
bleeding? You know?
I need some water, sir, please.
Yeah. We'll get you some water, all right?
Oh,
All right, it's his arm. Yep. Nope.
please. Man, some water, please, baby, before I die. Please, sir, I just need some water.
Buddy, we're gonna flip him over. Yep. All right, buddy, roll this way. Roll towards us.
Ow! Sir, that is some water, please.
Hey, just keep your hands out.
Cut the shirt.
Sir, I don't feel good.
Just got shot, so you probably don't feel very good. Try at the shoulder joint. Cut up here and try to cut around the bloody cloth. It's just gonna jam up.
Yeah.
Here.
Thank you.
I'm about to throw.
You're gonna throw up to your right. Don't throw up on me.
Can I have some water, please?
Oh, keep doing it.
You're going. Hold on. There we go.
Ruelas fired at least once, striking the officer's patrol car. He was wounded in the exchange and provided medical aid on scene before being transported to a hospital with non-life-threatening injuries. No officers were injured. Following the investigation, Bryan Velasco-Ruelas was indicted on multiple felonies, including 2 counts of attempted aggravated murder with a firearm.